In this video today, I'm going to go over some options for mounting and installing the Eufy Cam 2, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I want to thank you for joining me here at reviews.org. Today, we're taking a look at the Eufy Cam 2 and 2 Pro. So if you picked up this kit right here, you're going to notice that there were two mounts in the kit. We've got the magnetic mount right here, and then we've also got the screw mount. Now each mount has its own unique benefit. If we go with the magnet mount right here, you're going to mount this into the wall or ceiling, depending on where you want to mount this thing. Do remember that if it's not into a solid surface, that you are going to need to use the anchors. When you're installing the base on a wall, make sure that the pointy end is pointed up. That way it doesn't slide off when you put the magnet mount on. Once you get the base mounted up, you're going to slide the magnet mount in place. You're going to attach the camera, and then while looking at live footage on your phone, position the mount to get the perfect coverage. Now, if we switch over to the screw mount, this is going to give us a little bit more security because you actually do have to screw this in and tighten it into place. Somebody isn't going to be able to just come and take it. But the good thing about this mount is that it still gives you a lot of flexibility on where to place it and position your camera. Now, Eufy recommends that you mount your camera at least 10 feet up on the area that you want to cover. I'm going to unscrew the mount, remove the plate underneath, and then I'm going to place it where I want to and mark 2 holes. From there, I'm going to use a drill to pre-drill some holes for my screws. Now, if you are not putting this into a solid surface like wood, you're going to want to use the wall anchors. Once the base plate is mounted up, I'm going to screw the rest of the mount together, and then I'm going to attach my camera. From there, I can load up a live view on the app to see where the camera is pointing to make sure it's getting the best shot. Now, a couple of recommendations from Eufy is that you mount your camera at least 10 feet above the area that you want to cover. In addition to that, you also want to make sure that the signal of the camera is strong. You can either move the camera into a new location to get a better signal, or you can move the base station closer to the camera. Now keep in mind, the base station does not have to be plugged into Ethernet, just power. So once you get it connected to Wi-Fi, you can move it anywhere you want within your house. Now, if the mounts that came with the camera aren't suiting your needs, I've got 2 other recommendations for you. The first one is an indoor-outdoor security mount by WasherSign. This is a nice one that's going to give you a little bit different of an angle to get the perfect position for your outdoor camera. Another perk with this mount is that it's much more secure than all the other mounts. Not only is it made of all metal, but it also has 3 screw holes to mount it securely in place. If you're worried about someone coming and pulling your camera down, this is going to be the most secure option for you. Next up, we have a gutter mount. So if you don't want to be drilling holes into your house, you can use a gutter mount. As the name would suggest, this is a mount that attaches to your gutter. There's 2 different sizes that you can use for this mount. We've got a really thin slot, so if your gutters are thinner, you can screw it in there, or we've got a bigger slot. Now, a cool thing about this mount is that I actually use that bigger slot and attach it to my metal fence in my backyard. So now instead of trying to drill into my metal fence, I can now attach this to the fence and get a camera in a spot that I normally wouldn't be able to. Once you get this mount in place, you're going to use the 1/4-20 mount on the back of the camera to attach it to the mount. You're then going to bring up the live view on your phone to perfectly position this camera. Well, hope you guys got some good mounting tips on how to mount your Eufy Cam 2 and 2 Pro. If you guys want to know anything more about this camera or any other security camera, check out the links below to reviews.org. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.